Hello, my name is Crystal. I live in Texas, in New Braunfels, which is south of Austin. I currently work in an essential academics classroom with kinder and first graders. My favorite class so far has been the first class, learning about group dynamics. It actually helped me deal with the group of women I was working with at the time. I'm seeing how it all fit together. I'm actually looking forward to the week two supplemental readings in this course. They're very similar to uh, my bachelor's in anthropology, things I studied within that degree, races, biology, same sex marriages, different cultures. I find that very fascinating. I'm really looking forward to reading those articles. And it's nice to meet everybody.